Today, we're going to undo everything we've done so far on Troublemaker. We're going to take it apart. So, probably not going to be a lot of talking, just a lot of taking stuff apart. So, our plan is today to get it like that. So, windshield's coming off, fuel tank's coming off, the cowls and side panels are coming off, the firewall's coming off. And first thing we probably should do is unscrew the doors. We had them shut for the show because didn't want to bounce around the trailer and have them come fling open. And then we're going to do some other stuff, whatever that stuff may be. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Peyton just asked me why we need to take it apart. We have to take it apart so we can put it back together. Yeah, think about that. First things first. You know what I'm saying. Peyton's just gonna kind of help me brace this for a minute. That side's gonna be attached still. This is the side you'll come to.
Okay.
Weirdo. Okay, so now Peyton's gonna come over here. I'm gonna go on that side, and then we're going to get that windshield frame out of the way. It's my back. Now, we're gonna put as much stuff underneath the car as we can. Because there's room.
For a second, I thought this was coming with it.
I hope not. Wasn't that the side you welded?
Yeah, I think so.
Actually, no. I welded that side. Okay. Next thing's next. Okay, we're gonna get this door off and then we can turn it off. Unscrewed. Then we can start doing other junk. So the cool thing is, yeah, that's what it is. That's the cool thing. I'm not finding anything cool. What?
The door's actually open? Is that the cool thing?
They opened before. All right, doors are working. Windshield's off. Now, we're gonna start taking things apart. We got each got a 7/16 socket on a ratchet and a wrench. I hope you grabbed a wrench.
I'll do that.
Yep. Okay, so once Peyton figures out where a wrench is, I'm sure it'll be easy. We're gonna start taking this apart, and we'll have you. Oh, there we go. We'll have you watching along. Okay. Some of these just have bolts just sitting in here because it was just to hold it down. And then make sure you got your ratchet going the right way. You need bolts.
I'm gonna try something. Oh yeah, that's important.
I get two wrenches.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Okay, I have to.
And once you get them loose, you should just be able to take the nuts off with your fingers.
Oh, that's 11 distance. Probably not the right one.
So after that, we're going to start, we'll move the dash.
I didn't get this bolt out.
said, all we gotta do is just get them loose so we can take them off of their fingers. All right, we'll bring you back here in a little bit. If any of you've ever taken apart a Model A or put one together and then taken it apart and then taken it apart again and then put it back together, you'll notice that, or you'll know that these aren't always super convenient to get to. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start, we're gonna save all these because we can put them back in the storage because we're gonna get different bolts. We're gonna get different bolts to actually put the car down on the frame. So we're just gonna have to get these bolts out. And we lift up like that. And hand those to Peyton. And that too. We're going to get started on something. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, that door's not inconvenient at all.
So now we're gonna take these bolts out. There's 3 here on the firewall, and then the side panel there's like 1 here, and then there's 2 there. So first I'm gonna cut this. Hopefully I don't cut the gas line or anything.
I took the fuel line out.
That was a lot easier than I thought.
All right, so now we're going to just start taking bolts out again. There was nothing permanent about this car. It'd be best if we took the firewall out first, I think. I need a scissors here to cut this one.
Pause it back. I'm gonna take this out, like the bolt too.
Yep.
I need to do the push. Sorry. There.
So let's see if we can turn that just a little bit. So, like I said before, there's nothing permanent. So things sometimes are just finger tight. Sometimes there's just a bolt in there to hold it in place. Like this side right here.
That's not.
There's actually just a bolt just sitting there.
I can't get it.
All right, Peyton's gonna finish taking those out.
Hopefully I don't drop this and lose it. I didn't figure it out.
There's one more?
Yeah. Yeah, that's one over. Still not. You need to put it that way. There we go. Yep, I found it.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these doors off because we need to. Yeah, those bolts are in weird spots. I've got this door just about ready to come off.
That is hard.
You guys hear something? All right, there's one.
There. It's super tight. Struggle bus came early.
Thought I was gonna have to help, but she got it.
I was gonna be like, can you take the grinder to it?
No, because I need that bolt.
Okay. Okay, right there.
Yep, you should just be able to pull it straight forward. The whole panel. Oh, you got one more at the top there.
Oh, I do?
Yep.
Let's go.
Well, we'll wait for that. All right, she finally got it. Now she's gonna take that side of the cowl panel off.
I hope it doesn't drop
Eventually.
in there.
All right, let me get this last door off. Punch, hammer.
Am I gonna hold the door shut?
No.
Okay. Oh, let's hold this.
Why?
Because it's wobbling.
Yeah. It's not really attached. Like I told you, there was nothing permanent about this setup. All right, so now that we've got this stuff done, whatever will we do next? I can't wait to see. All right, as you can see, Peyton is sitting where most of Troublemaker used to be. So this is, we're calling this day 1, 2.0, 3.0,
Yeah.
7.0. Anyway, day 1 of the second, 4th, 7th phase, whatever. So that's what we got. Well, we should probably do the next thing, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get to that. Check this out. I wonder what we're gonna do now.
Ooh,
You're in first gear. We're not going very fast, so
where are we going? Just around the loop?
sure.
Okay, then we're going that way. Oh, she's going first.
You might want to drive on your side of the road.
Sorry.
No need to death grip this thing.
I'm already doing it, kind of. Can't see. My hair's not work. She's actually got power steering. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Actually, it doesn't have power steering. It's just that
She
good.
doesn't?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
I'm just slowing down because it's kind of hailing.
Anybody else worried here?
I am.
This might have been a bad choice.
No.
Step on the gas through the turn.
Yep.
Like a.
I'm gonna go this way because there's people.
You
there.
need to be. Yep. Stay away from the people. There you go. You nervous?
Yeah.
Peyton thinks we drive in England over here. Something a little driving on the left.
I can drive in the grass.
What?
I can put us in the ditch.
Yeah, I would advise against that one.
Car. Oh,
So?
cars.
All right, Peyton's first experience with cars.
Oh, grass.
So good.
It's just a little bit.
We're still in first gear. Don't go too crazy.
I know.
Now get back on your side of the road.
Ooh,
You see that
ridge.
center
Yeah,
ridge?
I do.
Stay on this side of it
Okay.
then.
I want to get after it, but I'm scared.
What?
I said I want to get after it, but I'm scared.
You want to get after it?
A little bit. Maybe not.
I don't think you're ready for that yet.
No, I'm not.
You know what, guys? How about this? For the next time, down on the thing, is Peyton ready to get after it?
I think I am. A little bit.
I think I'm terrified. Someone else has got a 72 car. Peyton was driving this like a tractor, having to move the thing all over the place. So now Peyton's gonna turn in 3.5 days, so we have to slow down now.
Wow, he didn't even wave.
Not everybody waves, Peyton.
Yeah.
He's probably tired of me burning past his house.
Yeah, probably.
stay on your side of the road. Stop fighting me with the wheel. There you go. All right. You don't have to stop completely to do a turn, honey.
Let's make sure you out of the way.
He was way back there.
I did it! Ah! Well, slowly but surely, yeah.
All right, step on it.
Ah!
Do it again. One more. There you go. Perfect.
Should I turn into the driveway?
I would hope you turn into the driveway.
Okay.
And then you're going to drive straight into the garage. Make sure you take your foot off the gas while you're
Yep, it is.
braking. And then
I just have it closed.
Anybody else notice that Peyton was driving on the wrong side of the road the whole time?
It's okay. We're fine. Ah. Oh,
Slow down.
Straight.
Slow down.
Yep.
There you go. Straight in. Yep, you got it.
It's gonna be crooked. Oh no.
You're fine.
Ah.
Okay, brakes. Shut it up. What do you want to say?
Scary.
Really?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
How much fun?
5 times a 5 million.
5 times, so 25 million?
Yeah.
Out of how many?
10.
Cool. Peyton got after me because I didn't have my seatbelt on. I wanted to be able to run. Just so you guys are aware, that was the first time that I have driven or I have ridden in that car right there on the wrong side. The first time I've ridden in the passenger side of my own car. Oh. She was driving. Let me know what you guys think. Down the thing. Did she do good? Did she try to kill us? I mean,
Well, I threatened to.
wrong side of the road whole time. All right. Well, let's get down to business. Holy cat's pajamas, kids. Did you see that whole thing? Anybody else scared? I know you were with me, but oh my gosh. Might need to take a nap after that.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, we decided to, well, she had no idea that she was going to be driving that today.
No idea.
And that's why we only got as far as we did, because I just wanted to get a good chunk of it done so we can do the all work and no play makes Peyton a dull person.
What?
Instead of all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So, anyway, the thing. Quote of the day was, I think I have my health insurance card on me. For obvious reasons. I'm still scared.
You should be.
Yeah. Anyway, that was super fun. We didn't do a whole lot of work, but who cares? All right, Peyton, sum up what you think of the whole drive. What was your favorite part of the whole thing?
Getting after it.
Bonnie's pretty rowdy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that whole car just was like, brr, brr. And the third one, she really got after it. I thought I was going to put my phone right in my teeth.
And the brakes, I accidentally stomped them. Accidentally.
Yeah.
She's got good brakes, though.
I know. I've used them.
Not like that, though.
So were you surprised?
Yeah.
Don't do that without me. Ever.
Okay.
So, anyway. So, unless you guys want to add anything. Yes, I know she's not old enough to drive. Yeah, you? Shh, no, we're not doing that. Put your hand down, Jeremy. Nobody cares. All right, you know what? Last question. Bill? Yes, I was afraid for my life. Yep. I am going to have to go see the heart doctor. Yep. Anyway, I think we're going to wrap it up, though. Anything else you want to add, Peyton?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep on rich, and have a great day.